Hi everybody, it's Janet and welcome to my channel. Today I'm here for Creative Escape Papercrafting and I'm going to be showing you the September 2018 fully loaded kit. Here is the kit and all of its contents. I'm going to open this up and I'm first going to talk about content sheet that comes in every kit, and it lists every product and its manufacturer for the most part, and then sizes of paper and quantities and colors and ribbons and so on. It's a great list of everything you've got in this kit. Next, you're going to see all the designers and guest designers that are working with this kit. We have 7 altogether, and all of their social media links are here. So this is where you can go to get lots of ideas on what to do with this kit. And then as far as more ideas, the owners of Creative Escape Papercrafting always include a bunch of great ideas with the kit, kind of get you thinking about different ways of working with it. So this is always fun to use as well. So check that out when it arrives in your box and give it a good read through. Lots of good tips right there. So let's take a look at what's inside of the kit this month. I'll start with this smaller baggie. There's lots of goodies stuffed in here. It is quite full. So we'll just start pulling things out. Okay, so first is this bottle of Nuvo. It's a full-size bottle of Nuvo glitter drops. The color is called Gold Coast. And it looks like it's probably going to dry clear with the gold glitter in it, or it could be slightly gray. It's a little hard to tell how it'll dry until we try it and let it dry. Next we have a Tim Holtz mini ink cube, and this one is in the color Forest Moss, so it'll be perfect for this kit. I'm looking forward to trying that. I have a lot of Tim Holtz Distress ink, but I don't have that one, so that's always nice. Then we've got a couple of these packages that are wrapped up in some tissue paper. We'll get this open. It's a little bit like Christmas. I'm not sure what's in there. All right, so what we've got here is a round piece of cut wood with the bark and everything around it. Look at the beautiful rings. And then we've got 2 pieces of wooden birds, which are, you know, could be used this way, or you could color them, or you could stain them. You could do all kinds of things. So that gives you a lot of options. The birds are really cute. And, you know, getting that wood is kind of fun, too. I've never tried to work with a piece like that. It'd be fun. And this is really pretty. These are stickers, but they're cork, and they have gold foil in them. See how they're stickers? They will be easy to apply to any card project with the feathers and then the I guess banners or flags. They'll be a lot of fun. And now we have the beginning of all the ribbons and twines. So first we've got a gold twine right there, and that one is going to be 1/8 inch, and the other one, which is navy, is 3/8 inch, and these are 1.5 yards each. I gotta find it here just to confirm. Yeah, there it is, 1.5 yards. So plenty to work with there. Next, let's take a look at the twines. We've got a brown and white twine and a pink and white twine, and this is 1 yard each. And then last but not least, looks like we have a black and white polka dot ribbon, and I believe that is 1 yard as well. Yes. Yep, it's 1 yard. So that's a pretty ribbon. I like that. All right, so let's see what else we can pull out of here to work with. I think I'll go with the cardstocks next. We have, I believe, 5 cardstocks. Yep, we've got 1 sheet of 8.5 by 11 moss green, 1 that is pink, and then we've got 3 sheets of white. They are all alcohol ink friendly, but 2 are 110 pound and 1 is 80 pounds. So you have some options for the heaviness there. Then let's take a look at these half sheets. First, we've got an 8.5 by 6 inch piece here that is in gold. It's like a gold embossed cardstock. It is beautiful. Then we've got 4 8.5 by 5.5 pieces of cardstock in the craft, the sea blue, navy blue, and gray. So again, lots of color options here to work with in terms of cardstock. Also in this kit we have a white A2 size card base, which will be great to use, and that allows us to not have to use as much cardstock. There is also a 6 by 6 craft card base And by the way, there's the matching envelope for that A2 card. Here's the 6x6 card base with the matching envelope. So again, that is at least 2 cards we don't have to use our cardstock for, which is always nice. All right, well, let's take a look at the paper we've got this month. We get 18 sheets of 6x6 single-sided specialty paper. It's from the One Canoe to Creekside collection. So the first one I'm showing here is a cut apart, which has got lots of pretty patterns and strips. This is a pretty floral page, and then a night sky page with stars in it. It's kind of cool. Here's a piece with a bunch of the woodcuts. Some more cut aparts. Those are pretty. Ooh, that's a neat scene. I like that. This page has a whole bunch of images. And then we've got the canoe paddles, a pretty feminine plaid, these pretty roses on blue background. Here's some wildflowers, a mountain scene, that's kind of cool. A page with ferns and leaves. These are arrows. This page has a cross pattern. Then these are all arrows on pink, ferns and mini flowers, and then this plaid pink background page. Of the 18 sheets, 12 will be in all the kits, and then you'll get a selection of 6 different assorted pages. All right, so these are watercolor stickers, and they're from Vicki Boutin. Beautiful feathers and roses and flowers. And then this page has sentiments and birds on it. Really cool. These stickers are the freebies that come to all subscribers in their kits. Next, we have the 6-inch border die, and this embosses as well. So the little stripes in it embosses. So it'll have a very woodsy, I think, rustic look to it, and I look forward to trying that one out. And then we have this beautiful ephemera pack and the sticker set from Echo Park. It says the great outdoors, and there's lots of images here of camping and the woods and animals, so it'll be fun to work with that. Okay, it's time to open up the ephemera package and take a close-up look at all of these items. This one is One Canoe to Creekside ephemera, and it contains 40 pieces. So of course this goes with the 6x6 papers so that they all kind of go together very nicely. We've got some small bits like this plaid, I guess it would be a cross or a plus sign. And then we've got a pretty little gold heart that's gold foiled. Let's get in a little bit closer so we can see this better. Alright, so this is like an emblem or a patch. It's got some gold foil and the mountains there. Some pretty daisies, a fern, a camping lantern, a phrase that says explore, that's like a flower, an acorn, a leaf, rosebuds, a pink flower, roses in a darker pink, a phrase wander, a canoe and the paddle, that's cute. Another plus sign, that's pretty, it says take a hike. A canoe paddle. A thermos, that's really fun. Another heart with a pink pattern on it. There you go, now you can see that better. This is a wood slab image. This is kind of an emblem with a fir tree on it. Another emblem with the bear track pattern. This adventure is in gold foil. Backpack. This is a really pretty tag, and it says I'd be lost without you in the gold foil. That is gorgeous. And we've got a frame with gold foiling on it, the daisies that says love. Very pretty. This is a banner with that arrow print paper on it. Here's a banner with that plaid. Another paddle. A pretty gold star, another plus, and then a little tag that says Dreamer. This is pretty. Go outside and play. It's a very pretty image there. Another banner with that outdoor black and white graphic, another canoe paddle. I guess this is a mat. It's got some of that gold foiling on it. Here's another frame, stargazer. Really beautiful. Another mat. That's a shamrock, cute. And then we've got a frame that has a pop-out piece to it. The inside panel has some of the graphic on it, so it would be, I think, nice in a shaker card, and it could be the background to the shaker. So I might use it that way. We'll see. And the last is this woodcut piece that has some gold foil on it as well. So gorgeous ephemera pack to work with. We're going to have a lot of fun using that. All right, everybody, there you have it. This is the September fully loaded kit from Creative Escape Papercrafting, full of woodsy and outdoor images and theme for our card crafting. So come back in about a week. I'll have the 10 cards published at that time, and we'll see what I was able to come up with for some ideas for you. Well, that's all for me today. I hope that you will like this video, comment, and give me a thumbs up. And I've included here a few videos that I thought you might enjoy if you want to check them out. I'll be back soon, but until then, keep crafting. Bye!